Welcome back to Summon Tesla. If this is your first time here, welcome. If not, well, welcome back. How's everybody doing? I hope you're all doing great. Today, I'm going to be talking to you guys about why I hate my Tesla.
You hate your Tesla?
Bear with me, you guys are going to love this. Maybe, I don't know. I hate my Tesla. Okay. I'm gonna get into an explanation of why. So you back
Can I
there,
have it?
please chill. I'm gonna get into an explanation, and so I'm gonna start off with a lot of stuff here. I'm gonna name a ton of stuff. Okay, I actually have a massive list of why I hate my Tesla, but I'm gonna go into the details. Ready to go? All right. In a 3, a 2, a 1. Here we go. I hate my Tesla because first things first, I'm losing my friends. I can no longer go to regular car meets. Instead, I seem to be going to car meets every darn time I go to a supercharger. It's crazy. My friends hate me. I used to go out every weekend, make a special occasion out of it, and it was great. You go there, you see a bunch of cars. Now, all of a sudden, I'm doing it every night, and they're getting jealous, and so they don't like me anymore. And it sucks. So for that reason, I hate my Tesla. And of course, there's the other part of it. It's where the next reason why I hate my Tesla is because when I go on road trips, I used to look forward to having to stop every chance I got to stay at some really creepy hotel. It was an adventure for me. It was a lot of fun, and it's like going through a theme park every chance you get. And now, because of freaking autopilot, I can drive like 20 hours and never get tired, and it's really weird. I hate it. I really, really wish Tesla would have just made their cars so that I have to stop at these creepy hotels. And then, of course, the weirdest thing is, like, now I'm just like, okay, it's weird, okay, because I'm making new friends, okay? And who wants new friends all the time, right? So because I have this car, I keep meeting new people. And I'm not a people person, man. I don't like people. I mean, it's not like I'm a YouTuber or something. And so this car is bringing so much attention to it, and people are talking to me all the time and asking me about the car and asking for rides and all that stuff. Like, come on, man. Who has time for that? Like, I don't want to make new friends. I don't want to do that. Okay, next reason is, I really used to go, like, I had so many good friends at gas stations. Like, I had multiple gas stations, and I had some good friends, and I never see them anymore. I just don't. And it's all because of the freaking car. I can't go to the gas station with it, because if I go to the gas station, I look weird. So now I can't go. I mean, thanks a lot, Tesla. And it's even weirder because I get to the point now where, I mean, first things first, like, I really, really hate my car because of all the freaking windshield washer fluid I gotta keep putting in as freaking maintenance. I mean, they say it's maintenance free. Do you know how much windshield washer fluid costs? And even worse, I spend a lot of money on car washes, okay? Like, but it's nothing. Like, I don't understand. I don't want to be putting money back in my pocket. I really did enjoy spending like $600 a month on gas every lousy month. It was part of my life, and now this car took that away from me, and so now I don't know what to do with the money, and it's really weird, right? So this car is just not doing me any good.
But don't you put it into car washes?
Yeah, yes, sometimes. Let's not tell that to people. Okay. And another reason I hate my car. Okay, listen to this. I really, really miss my maintenance guys, right? Like, I used to go down to BMW or Ford or whichever car I owned, and you get to know the people there, right? Like, you know who's working on your car. Like, paying $600 for an oil change because they figure out that you need a filter, and suddenly your suspension is apparently not good. I mean, those are fun. Like, those were the exciting moments. There was nothing. I don't get that with Tesla. Like, I don't get that those hey, here's a surprise bill, right? Like, I'm expecting an oil change, and then next thing I know, I'm looking into my savings account and saying, holy moly, right? Like, all those things are gone, man. But here's another one. I think the thing that makes me hate my Tesla the most is I no longer want to stay at home ever. Like, the car is like, it's like Tesla put in this weird, maybe they have Neuralink in a car, and what they do is they keep telling me like, okay, let's go for a drive, and I hate that. It's weird, man. I just want to sit home, be just chill out and watch a Netflix thing. And then that's the other thing. Now they gave me Netflix in a freaking car. Like, who needs Netflix in the car? I mean, I'm never home anymore. I just sit in my car and play games and watch Netflix and watch YouTube and do stuff. I hate my car. It's not fair. It's not fair that he's doing this to me. It changed my entire life. It's a car. I mean, Elon, Tesla, what the heck are you guys doing? But you know what I miss the most? I miss my car being able to wake everybody up at 2 o'clock in the morning on a Saturday, maybe 3 o'clock in the morning. Like, I used to love going in a car, have a crazy loud, obnoxious exhaust, those big crazy ones. I used to love having that. And then what I used to do for fun is, like, at 2 o'clock in the morning, I used to go around like quiet neighborhoods, those very snobby type of people, right? I know they're sleeping because they need their beauty rest, right? So I go into their neighborhoods and just like grab my bag. You know what happens when I go with my car? I can hear literally everything that's happening around me, except me. Nobody can hear me coming. It's ridiculous. But you know why else I hate my car? I'm gonna tell you, this one I can't stand. You see, I used to love having the cops hear me like 2 blocks away and having them point their radar gun right at me and me getting tickets. I used to love that, right? Like, it was a cat and mouse game. I make sounds, they kind of like, the ears perk up and they go, whoa, time to catch this guy. They always knew I was coming. Now I'm like a ghost, I just fly by them and they don't even know I'm there. It's weird, man. And I mean, I'm not donating to the cause, right? Like, I'm not helping the cops meet their quotas. Allegedly, they have quotas. You want to help out these cops. They gotta, they have to make a living too, right?
I have a suggestion.
Oh, what's that?
You can always mess around with the motorcycle.
Yeah, I could. Maybe that's what I'll do. But then this brings me to the next point. I hate my car because I find my motorcycle obnoxious now. My motorcycle before I bought my Tesla was awesome. I have a nice, awesome exhaust on it. It's a sport bike. It's a sport touring bike. It's a beautiful bike. It's a beast. I love that bike. I used to ride it every chance I got. Now every time I get on it, it's loud. So it made me lose interest in my amazing motorcycle. In fact, my director over there has an all-electric motorcycle, and I have to keep going to my wife and go, baby, can I borrow your bike because it's nice and quiet? And of course, it doesn't work. Like, you can't do that, right? I think the bottom line is I hate my Tesla. It changed my life around. I was very comfortable spending money, going to do maintenance. I was very comfortable with trying to get that extra 2 horsepower out of my car by putting in like $10,000 just so I can compete with the Honda Civic, right? And then now, suddenly, I'm basically faster than 90% of the cars on the road. I'm competing against Porsches, against Ferraris and Lamborghinis. I mean, I hate my Tesla. That's not right, That's just not right. And it, what else I can't stand? I can't stand the fact that I get in my car and then in the morning, I get in my car and the first thing it does is tells me, hey, you want to go to the office? Here's the fastest route. Like, listen, I want to be stuck in traffic. I don't want my car telling me where that there's an accident on my regular route. I don't want that. And sure as heck when I leave my office, I don't want my car, as soon as I get in my car, it's like, hey, you're going home? Okay, well, take this road because there's an accident here. I mean, Tesla, what are you thinking? This isn't right.
Takes away all your adventure.
Yeah, there's no more adventure, man. It just turned my life upside down. What are you laughing back there? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you guys next time. And obviously, I love my car to death. It's great. A lot of people ask me, what is it about the car that you like? What is it that you don't like, and all this stuff. Frankly, there's so many things to like about these Teslas. There's so many amazing things to like about them. and they really do change your life. I'm not kidding about that part. They really do change your life, but all for the best. That being said, I truly appreciate you guys watching this. If you enjoyed it, you know, consider subscribing to the channel and hitting that like button. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Till then, drive safe.
So does that mean you're not giving me your Tesla now?
Oh, you're not getting my Tesla.
Okay.
She's my baby. You can buy your own. Just you direct over there, all right? See you guys.